Welcome tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of mobile gaming on PC with a step-by-step guide on how to play Marvel Snap on your computer. We'll be using the most popular Android emulator to bring this exciting card battler to the big screen. Let's jump right in. Our journey begins with downloading and installing the emulator that will make all this possible. Fire up your preferred internet browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type in BlueStacks and hit enter. Look for the top result that leads you to BlueStacks.com. That's our target. Once you're on the BlueStacks homepage, we're going to do something a bit different. Instead of downloading the main emulator, we'll be getting a specialized version specifically optimized for Marvel Snap. Use the search bar on the website and type Marvel Snap. Click on the result for the game and you'll see a blue download button. Give that a click and choose where you want to save the installer file. This specialized version will streamline our setup process and ensure the best performance for our game. Double-click the installer to run it. You'll see a blue Install Now button. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll be presented with the terms of use. Take a moment to read through them if you'd like, then click I agree to proceed. Now we play the waiting game for a bit as BlueStacks installs itself on your system. Once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will launch automatically. Since we downloaded the Marvel Snap launcher directly from the BlueStacks website, the emulator is pre-configured with optimized settings for the game. This means we get to skip the usual newcomer intro and jump straight into the action. Now that we're in the emulator, you'll see a prompt asking you to install the game. Click the blue Install button. But first, we need to sign in with a Google account. This step is necessary to access the Play Store and download our game. If you don't have a Google account, now's the perfect time to create one. With your Google account set up, you'll be taken to the Google Play Store. Now it's time for the moment we've been waiting for. Hit that Install button and watch as Marvel Snap makes its way onto your PC. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so feel free to grab a quick snack or plan your first deck while you wait. Installation complete. Now press play and get ready to dive into the Marvel universe like never before. As the game loads up, take a moment to appreciate the crisp graphics on your larger screen. You're about to experience Marvel Snap in a whole new way. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts. We've successfully brought Marvel Snap from your phone to your PC, allowing you to enjoy this fast-paced, strategic card battler with a larger display and precise mouse control. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more tips on bringing mobile games to your PC, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy gaming, and may your snaps always be perfectly timed.